So I'm Manuel Barbato. I'm the Food Studies and Community Engagement Assistant. Today in the Umbra kitchen we will have the coffee workshop for the History and Culture of Food in Italy course. In this workshop, at first we will have a brief history of the coffee, where it comes, how it's made, and then we will meet with Luca, that is a very knowledgeable person in the coffee field. He owns a big bar in the center of Perugia, and he has also started his own roasting factory. I will speak about his work, how the coffee enters in our daily routine in the Italian way of life, and he will bring a lot of tools to show the students how the coffee is made. So we will see different way to prepare coffee, different way to extract coffee. So Luca will show to the students, starting from scratch, how the coffee is made, from the green coffee bean, the roasting, the grinding, and then the extraction of the coffee. And then Luca, since he is also a pastry chef, has organized a little surprise for the students, and he will bring some sweets to them. And that's it for today. Bye guys, enjoy your coffee.